If you had a gun or something like that, you could always...
What are you so scared of?
What do you mean, what am I scared of? That's the way we maintain our
You think
officer
everybody's
safety.
out to get you?
What starts as a routine traffic stop involving another vehicle quickly turns personal. A driver who wasn't even the focus of the stop suddenly finds himself under unwanted attention, not because of a violation, but because of positioning and bruised ego. When compliance isn't given, accusations appear, and a situation that never required enforcement begins to take a different turn. This encounter raises questions about intent, discretion, and how quickly authority can shift gears.
Okay.
So,
Driver's license and registration, please.
you're lying. But you're pulling him over, right?
You and him both.
You just told me you were pulling him over, so...
Yeah, well, he was going 87, you were going 85.
No,
If you
I got
don't
my
wanna do what
cruise
I tell
on.
you to.
I got my cruise
give
on.
me your driver's license and your registration and insurance.
No,
If you
I got
don't
my
wanna do what
cruise
I tell
on.
you to.
I got my cruise
give
on.
me your driver's license and your registration and insurance.
No,
If you
I got
don't
my
wanna do what
cruise
I
on.
tell you to.
I got my cruise
give
on.
me your driver's license and your registration and insurance.
Well, you got to give me a minute for the registration, but here's my license. And you realize that how can you see my speed when he's right in front of me?
You're following him. So here's what I did. I hit my front radar on him. He was going 87. As soon as he passed, it went to 85 on you. I'd never stopped the radar. That's the way it is.
Do you have a printout of that?
Now,
Or a
when I make
picture
a
of that to
traffic
prove that?
stop, if you don't do as I say by pointing to the front of him,
As you
by
say,
being behind
is that
me,
lawful?
I'm trying to make
Is that a
sure I
lawful
have...
order?
Yeah, it is, because
How's
it's
that?
officer safety. You're obstructing my
Officer
traffic
safety
stop.
is not a law.
So, I want you to pull the front of him
Officer
so that
safety
you're
is
not
not a law.
behind me.
Quote me the
So that
code
I
for
can make
that.
sure that
Can you quote me the law for that? The code?
I'm not going to pull you the law for that.
Then there is no law for that.
Order. It is a lawful order.
There's got to be
on
a code
traffic
for it.
Stop.
There has to be a code
44B
for it. For officer safety, there is no code.
I don't care.
Just like there's no code for public safety.
Why is it
What's
that
the
you won't do
problem?
what I tell you to?
I'm with him, okay? It's not safe for me to just pull up ahead when
I don't exactly go to the front of
I'm
people's
already
vehicles
pulled
because
over.
if you had a gun or something like that, you could always